Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a Yale 70mm Discus lock. It's a 4-pin lock, and we have the bitting there, low at the front, highs towards the back. We'll try and give it a pick. What we'll use. Will that give us enough room? Hold on. Yeah, I might tension it like that. If I can keep my fingers out of the way. There we go. And feels like, almost feels like an immediate false set. There we go. Click from, I think that was 3. Feels like I might have overset something. It's definitely a bit beaten up and well used. So 1 solid, 2, 3, 2. Go. Not too difficult. I think the bitting, because it's such a small key weight, I think the bitting probably made it slightly more difficult. There we go. I don't think there's a model number on this Yale. Yeah, there we go. So not too difficult. Just the bitting's awkward, and it's definitely a little bit worn. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.